and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti MIFTAHUL JANNAH binti RAZALI. So today our group gonna present about Islamic accounting. So here we go. What is accounting? Accounting is that the process of recording financial transaction regarding a business. So what about Islamic accounting? Islamic accounting provide the data which user of the financial statement of Islamic bank rely on in assessing the Islamic bank extent of compliance with Sharia and determining right and obligation interested parties in accordance with the principle of Sharia. Here is the difference between Islamic accounting and conventional. Islamic accounting prohibited interest and unlawful transaction. It has zakat, and while doing the report, it's complete both financial and non-financial. Islamic accounting also follow the principle and rules of Sharia law and use it to ensure that Islamic organization abide by the principle of the Sharia in its dealings, while the conventional it accepts all type of income that are not against Western law. It also don't have zakat. While doing the report have been prepared under the historical cost concept. The conventional accounting follow the national and international accounting board. It also collect financial and accounting data and produce information report to make a business decision.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is IRDINA binti MOHAMAD IDRIS. I will explain on Islamic overview of accounting and accountants. The main sources of Islamic accounting is Al-Quran and Hadith, and the secondary accountability established by a contract between investor and manager. The main objective of Islamic accounting is activity based on Sharia compliance, distribution of zakat, and equitable distribution of wealth among the shareholders. The main characteristics of Islamic accounting are honesty, integrity, proficiency, and being available to hold the responsible. According to the Sharia rulings, accountants are the ones that are accountable for all their actions and will be asked if there is any negligence in the company. The qualifications expected to take up the accountant role will be well versed in Sharia law, competent, trustworthy, and respectable. The main Islamic worldview of accounting and accountants was al-hisbah, whereby the society was protected from any types of exploitation and fraud. The accountant was appointed in order to ensure that market tradings and traders in the company follow the Sharia guidance.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hazim bin HASHIM and my case number is 273915. Today I will present about the needs of Islamic accounting standard and ROIF and MASB. The need for Islamic accounting standard. As we know, Muslims are obligated to follow Sharia rule in whatever matter in life. So there is two major accounting which are from conventional and Islamic accounting. So as a Muslim, we should follow Islamic accounting because the Islamic accounting create accounting and auditing concept that follow the Sharia principle. Okay, the objective, the needs for Islamic accounting standard is to codify, to prepare, analyze accounting and auditing practices to ensure commission studied in field of Islamic accounting and auditing. Other than that, to provide the strong guideline for Islamic bank and Islamic institution to follow the rule, rule that Sharia compliant. Okay. Other than that, Islamic accounting standard will ensure the development of the Islamic bank managerial and efficient capability. Okay. Lastly, some issue of Islamic accounting, there is no solution due to existing accounting standard like conventional accounting standard. So for Islamic accounting standard, will try to resolve all the problem that arise that maybe cannot be referred to the conventional, because as you know, in Islam we have Sharia principle. Okay, ROFI and MASB. ROFI is a short form of Accounting and Auditing Organization for Islamic Financial Institution. Okay, AAOIFI established in Bahrain at year 1991. Okay, the objective of AAOIFI is to develop to ensure development of accounting, governance, auditing and ethical issue. Okay, other than that, spread all the financial instrument. Okay, the impact of IFI is to provide specialists on Islamic accounting and auditing field. As we know, they provide a certificate that people can take for the being specialist in accounting. Okay, other than that, all accounting and auditing standard will refer to conventional standard before establishment of AOIFI. So when AOIFI established, they will refer to AAOIFI. Okay, for the MASB is Malaysia Accounting Standard Board that established under Financial Reporting Act 1997. The MASB is development of accounting and financial reporting standard in Malaysia. Okay, other than that, it also promote high quality of the accounting in Malaysia. Furthermore, MASB create framework to coordinate about financial reporting in Malaysia and Financial Reporting Foundation. Okay, the impact of MASB is the new accounting standard will be issued as approved accounting standard, and current accounting standard will be reviewed, revised and adopted is approved accounting standard. Okay, other than that, let's out the overall consideration for financial statement presentation as well as format criteria and minimum standard for financial statement material.
Hi, my name is HAFIZAH. My metric number is 272278. I'll present about why do you think ethics can play an important role in more ethical Islamic accounting practice. Ethics refers to a branch of philosophy that involves systematizing, defending, and recommending concepts of right and wrong behavior. Accounting is accountability. The concept of accountability is follow the fundamental in Islam and the sources from Al-Quran, Sunnah, Ijma, and Qiyas. It is because ethics can define someone who can work at its best or the worst. Ethics in Islamic accounting practice must be done to every workers as to avoid various types of illegal activities such as gambling, riba, alcohol, and prostitution. As an Islamic accountant worker, they must be truthful, transparent, and also have justice for the unlucky one. Allah said in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Isra, Ayah 35, وَأَوْفُوا الْكَيْلَ إِذَا كِلْتُمْ وَزِنُوا بِالْقِسْطَاسِ الْمُسْتَقِيمِ ذَلِكَ خَيْرٌ وَأَحْسَنُ تَأْوِيلًا. Give in full when you measure and weigh with an even balance. That is fairest and its best at the end. Translated by Dr. Mustafa Al-Khattab from the clear Al-Quran. Islamic ethics makes a difference in expanding stakeholder certainty and belief by ensuring accountants follow the Sharia law. Accountants should have integrity, trust, responsibility, accountability, and respect to the confidentiality of information and give rights to others, so the customer can be made confident and be trust to that accountant.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad IRFAN bin RAZALI, ID number 272230. Today I want to share about the article review that we choose, which is the Code of Ethics for the Islamic Finance Professional. Ethics is all about adlu and ihsan. One person must know their task and do it on the right way and must have a right intention to perform the task given. Islamic finance professional must focus on avoiding unethical behavior such as excessive greed involved with bribery, earning income from the non-Sharia compliance industry, and arrogance from the professionals of Islamic financial. Now we move to the objective why IUFI provide a standard for the ethical for Islamic finance professional. First, it is to seek the blessing from Allah by follow the way of Sharia. Next, assist and encourage Islamic financial professional to voluntarily perform their work ethically. And lastly, increase the trust from other people and belief with the Islamic financial professional. Now we move to the Adlu and Ihsan. First, must do their best within their capability to manage their work, and one need to avoid unethical works to achieve their mission. And Islamic financial professional must have 6 ethical of Adlu and Ihsan. First, taqwa. Second, tawakul. Third, siddiq. Fourth, amanah. Fifth, quwwah. And lastly, tawasi bil haq. Okay, lastly, we move to the violation that may occur by the Islamic finance professional. First, they must avoid purposely doing wrong things by doing things that not following the Sharia, and control themselves from just focus on the world instead of achieve the bless from Allah. And next, they must respect with each other and doing the task given perfectly. And as Islamic finance professional, they must avoid doing verbally violation such as lying to their clients, manipulative just to satisfy their needs, and lastly, giving client fake hope when they cannot fulfill their promise. And also, they must avoid doing non-verbal violation, which is misrepresentation on the information and discrimination by intentionally serve someone based on their races.
In conclusion, Al-Quran and Sunnah is the guidance and provide information to Islamic account. Islamic account covers personal and professional qualifications in additional requirements of ethical features. IOFI is a framework of Islamic accounting, contains multi different roles and dimensions that can add value for all shareholders. It is recommended for further exploring by Islamic banks and finance related to the mechanisms of business activity that comply with Sharia guidance. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.